This is the Buffalo CORIN. Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. These are the Buffalo of recent years. These are the upgrades from the classic Buffaloes we all know and love. This is the upgrade, and these were released 2018. So this is a very late unboxing, but nevertheless I talk about these fabulous shoes. So now let's open these. The box is very much the same from the classic. The paper is the same. So this is what they look like. The Buffalo CORIN. Now, I've already used them a lot, so they're not brand new, so this is not the proper unboxing, but it is a review of the Buffalo CORINs. What to say about this sneaker? First of all, compared to the classic Buffaloes, there are a lot of differences. When you first look at them, they may look the same, but slightly different. First of all, they weigh next to nothing. They are light as feathers, you guys. I mean, they're just that fabulous. They weigh nothing. The original Buffalo Classic, they weigh tons. I mean, even when I walk with them, I feel the weight. Plus, they're a bit higher. These are 5 centimeters heel. The classics are 7. And also the sole is quite different. But the overall sneaker part, it's almost the same, I would say, almost. The other thing is that these are vegan leather. They are not real leather. They are synthetic leather called vegan leather, but they feel exactly like the leather Buffalo Classics. They are as well made as the classics. Nothing different to the touch. And they have the little Buffalo logo there. And of course the Buffalo logo on the heel part and on the sole. You can see they're very scratchy. I've used them so much. These are my new faves. And the other big difference is they are broader on the toe. These are slightly broader, meaning more comfortable. And they fit so much better than the classics. These are 41, my true size. 41 US 7. But they feel so much better than the classics. Compared to these, the classics feel a little bit snug. These don't. They are broader, lighter, and they are vegan leather for those who prefer that. And inside you have the Buffalo logo in yellow as well. The print, of course, I've worn these, so the print is already faded out. Yeah, everything about this feels as good as the classic, but of course with new features like slightly lesser height. And these are more like a chunky sneaker. The classics are more like a platform sneaker. So I would totally recommend the CORINs. And it's really weird because I did not like them to start with. I found them to be sort of I thought they were like unnecessary. Why change the original concept, you know? But here I go. I use these way more than the classics, and I gotta tell you that I was not ready for these. So yeah, that's the Buffalo CORINs, the upgrade from the Buffalo Classic. Lighter, they weigh nothing, they're like paper, and they're really well made. They will last me for a long time, and they're vegan leather, meaning it's not animal, it's synthetic, but it feels great. 5 centimeter sole as opposed to 7 from the classics. And of course, no review is great without an on feet. I can't believe I slept on this, you guys, for such a long time. From the 90s to the 10s, or rather 20s, really. For the better, to be honest, for the better.